Hi guys, Melissa here from ShirtSpace. Here today to explain how to save and retrieve carts. Please note that you'll have to have an account with ShirtSpace to be able to save and retrieve carts. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is head to ShirtSpace.com and shop around. Once you have all of your items added to your cart, click the Proceed to Secure Checkout button. At the top of the page next to your shopping cart, you will see a green Save Cart button. By clicking this, your cart has been saved to your account. To retrieve your cart, click My Account at the top right-hand corner of the page. Here you will see your profile. By scrolling down, you will see your past orders, and to continue scrolling, you will see your saved carts. You will see the cart name, the total, number of items, and date it's created. Click the Retrieve Cart link to add these items back to your cart to continue to shop or check out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today to learn how to save and retrieve carts. If you want more helpful videos like this, click that subscribe button and have a great rest of your day.